Okay, so let's continue with our next video. And in this video, we will solve the lead code problem number 182. That is also the SQL problem. So we need to find a duplicate emails. So we have a one table person, and we have ID and we have email, right? And write a solution to report all the duplicate emails, right? And it can be in any order. So an example, so you have one table person ID 123, email a@b.com, c@d.com, so which email is duplicate? This one, a@b.com. So it's very easy question. So you can check the schema from here and try locally as well. So I just execute all this command by copying from here. And if you see select start from person, so how you are going to, right, how you find to duplicate? So to find the duplicate, first we need to find a count, right? So a@b.com is coming how many times, c@d.com is coming how many times. So basically we can do group by, okay, group by and then aggregation. So we can do select email, right? So we need email and we need the count. So in one column we need email, in another column we count, so count star, right, from person and group by email. So it will group all the emails and found the account. So let's try to run that. Okay, so we found, okay, c@d.com is coming one time, a@b.com is coming two times. So if any count is greater than one, right, which means that is duplicate. So we can just put a clause having uh, count star greater than one. So we found a email a@b.com, but we don't need to display the count. So we just need to display the email. So we will just display the email. So we found a duplicate email, right? And having is similar to the where clause, but used by the group by. With group by, you can use where and having both. So having is basically calculated after doing the grouping. So once we did the grouping, once we found a count, after that we are like filtering it out, right? But if you want to filter before, then the where clause is going to be executed. So let's try to execute if it is going to work on all the test cases or not. So it's accepted. So let's try to submit it. It's anyhow easy category problem. So all the 15 test cases has been accepted. So that's it. That's the end of the video. And thank you.